Do not clown my shirt. I know, my nigga.
It's like, nah. But hey, what's up, y'all? So today we talking about respecting your body. So a lot of people, they try to complain about how their body looks, but they don't try to fix it. Like, that's like me saying, oh shit, man, I want some money, but I'm just sitting here, not trying to get the job, not trying to do shit. Like, bro, you can't complain about how your body looks and not try to fix it. Like, we're not all like built the same. We don't have the same genetics and shit, but you can still like look a certain way. And second of all, don't try your best to look like somebody else. Like, especially females. Y'all wanna look like Beyonce, Jhené Aiko, fucking Meg Thee Stallion or some shit. Look the best the way you can look. Not look the best way you wanna look. If that makes sense.
You knew it made sense.
So all I wanna say is just respect your body too. About how like food intake and shit. You don't wanna just be eating burgers and like fucking, damn, what's another hardcore food that make you feel like shit?
Just think, like,
A noose, a nightstick, a branding iron. These things strike fear into a nigga's heart. A job application. Avoid conversation with the nigga. The nigga will lie. The nigga will make excuses. He will use words he don't really know. If he gets really desperate, he may start to rap or dance.
I don't know. You know what I mean, man. Just try to eat healthy weekly, you know. You want to be looking like a slob, because if you eat like a slob, you gonna look like a slob, my guy. But yeah, that's it, you know. Respect your body, man. You wanna be the best shape you can be. And I'm out, man.